I'm really hoping that the camera is capturing the difference here, because to the eye, it's amazing. All right, so here we are. So we've got these little applicator swabs, which I'm going to use to get into the edges, right? So get in a little bit deeper than I can with the main application pad that I've got here. So we'll take our fluid and put a little dab on it. Here we go, get some good on it there. Okay, and then I'm just going to gently get into the edges there, so that way there isn't any faded on the inside. Now the other thing that I'm going to do as I do this is I'm going to use each section as a guide. So it's like when you wax or you do other things that they say do a section at a time, and I'm going to do the same thing here, because this says to do, let it dry a minute or two and then buff off with the edgeless towel that I have, right? So you can see I'm just working my way around the edges there. So if I get each section done and then give it another minute or two, I don't want to do the whole car, because by the time I get back, this section will have dried. So that way I can do each section at a time, give it a minute or two, buff it off, and I don't have to worry about it drying out. So I'm going to use that same approach that you use for other products and other techniques here. So each section break, right? So I've got a break right here of where this breaks, where the plastic breaks for the piece itself. Now the other thing is I've also cleaned on the inside edge of my wheel well. So I'm actually going to get up into the wheel well itself, because I don't want any lip, right? I don't want it to be like dark and then not dark. All right, so I'm really hoping that the camera is capturing the difference here, because to the eye, it's amazing. So we look down. Now I've done the center all the way down. If you look right here, you can kind of see the break where I've stopped. So I'm going to open the door and get the rest underneath. But this is after, about 2 minutes. I've buffed it off. So now it's just a matter of just going through all the rest. Nice even motions, done, fairly rapidly. You want to give it a chance to buff off in a minute or two and just keep working through. So I'm going to get the rest of the car done. I'll get you caught up.